Hey everybody, what's happening and welcome back. My name is Oscar Ramos and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Well, for this video, I have an update for Terra Luna Classic holders, right? In the channel, the Oscar Ramos one, we've been talking a lot about it because it's what people are caring right now. We're seeing a bear market and it's not that easy to make money, but LUNC is still putting some pretty good numbers and people are making money with it. Sideway trading, you're seeing right now on the screen. I mean, a couple of updates as of September 19 right now is that in, less than 36 hours, we're probably going to see the activation of the 1.2 tax burn on chain on the Terra Classic blockchain. And that's going to be huge. That's what everybody's waiting for, the 1.2 tax burn. We also hear from Terra Rebels many updates, especially from Edward Kim, one of the main developers from the team. Also, the 4793 proposal pass, basically saying, you know, all the centralized exchanges, the community wants you guys to start implementing the tax burn, right? The 1.2 tax. And although they cannot force them, it is another reminder that the community is asking for it. Because we heard from Edward in a previous AMA, right, Terra Rebels with the community, how many billions can be burned if that goes and happens accordingly. So it is not unknown how important the burns are for the price. This community is all about hype, excitement, and making sure the petitions from the community are heard, if not done. It hasn't been an easy road so far because from the point of 3056 or almost 6, it has gone down and it's just consolidating for the last couple of days, about to be a week. So I know it's frustrating for a lot of people. And when you see some of these predictions out there that are outrageous, obviously saying that it's going to be consolidating at these levels is nothing that attractive or sexy, right? But you have to understand that this is not going to go anywhere for a good while, and we're still waiting for an altcoin season. We're still waiting for a bull market, and we're still waiting for more burns for specifically LUNC. So if we actually have the opportunity to reach 201 on this one, the price of 201, and I think that's the best case scenario for a while in the short term on 2022. Not looking at higher prices right now because we've seen how sellers have come in and whales are still waiting on the sidelines. So realistically speaking, doesn't seem like we're going to be seeing a pump yet anytime soon. That's what I've seen right now. But by the time you watch this video, let me know in the comments down below if I was right. If we already are pumping, then well, I'll eat my words. But I mean, that'll be still good news. But from what I see right now, and you're seeing the square right there, the pink one, I drew that 2 days ago on the 16th, right? Today is the 19th, so 3 days ago, I drew it right here. And I've said, you know what, based on all the info and the experience I have, I believe that is what's going to be looking like for LUNC for a good while. And so far it's happening. So my message to you guys is just to be patient. Don't get that frustrated with LUNC. There's many different factors going on right now with the crypto. But at the end of the day, as long as the hype does not end very soon and we can continue producing utility or start doing utility, right, and engaging with more of the developers and then allowing more community to come in, more burns to come in, and finally the proposal of the 1.2 finally continue and done, I think things are gonna do kind of like go okay. But still there's a chance to go lower to a position of 4 zeros, adding 1 zero. So stay tuned because there's a bunch of more fiesta for this one. I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.